Welcome to our tutorial on how to copy your profile link on Twitter. Whether you want to share your profile with friends or promote it on other platforms, this simple process will help you do just that. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the Profile option on your profile page. This will ensure that you are viewing your profile details. Now, look for the ellipses, which are 3 dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the ellipses to open a menu of options. From the menu, select the Share option. This will generate your profile link that you can share with others. Congratulations! You have successfully copied your profile link on X. You can now share this link with your friends, family, or followers. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this one. Have a great day.